In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comprehensive consent form using Acuity Scheduling's Intake Forms feature. This guide will walk you through every step of the process, ensuring that your consent forms are not only properly set up, but also easily integrated into your scheduling system. By the end of this guide, you'll have a tailored and legally sound consent form that's ready to use. First, let's navigate to the right place to get started. In your Acuity Scheduling account, head over to the section known as Intake Form Questions. This is your go-to area for managing all the forms your clients will complete before booking appointments. Once you're there, look for an option labeled New Terms and Conditions Agreement. Clicking on this will allow you to begin crafting a new consent form from scratch. Now that you've initiated the form creation, it's time to customize it. Start by editing the title of your form. The default title might not suit your needs, so change it to something specific like Patient Consent or Client Agreement. This helps in clearly conveying the purpose of the form to your clients. Next, focus on the description area where you'll enter your actual consent policies, terms of service, or any legal waivers necessary for your industry. It's important to note that consulting a legal professional to review these terms can ensure they are both appropriate and legally sound for your field of work. Let's move on to refining how your clients will interact with the form. You'll notice an automatic checkbox that reads, "I have read and agreed to the terms above." This can be modified to suit your specific requirements, perhaps changing it to, "I have read and agreed to the terms above and have completed the intake to the best of my knowledge." This change can add clarity and specificity. Additionally, consider adding a box for initials. This simple step further confirms that the information provided is accurate and acknowledges that the client has read and accepted the terms. After setting up your form, you'll need to make sure it is both required and visible. This step is crucial because it ensures that no client can book an appointment without first agreeing to your consent form. The system will automatically present your consent form during the booking process for any appointment types it's attached to. You also have the flexibility to decide which specific appointment types will require this form, allowing you to tailor the process according to different services or requirements. By carefully following these steps, you can create a seamless and professional consent form process integrated into your scheduling system, protecting both you and your clients. Thank you for tuning in, and happy scheduling.